Boolean type BOOL bool. Boolean represents truth values. The bool type has exactly two constant instances, true and false. The built-in function bool converts any value to a boolean. If the value can be interpreted as a truth value, see section truth value testing above. For logical operations, use the boolean operators and or not. When applying the bitwise operators and or exclusive or to two booleans, they return a boolean equivalent to the logic operations and or XOR. However, the logical operators and or and not equal to should be preferred over and or XOR. Deprecated since version 3.12. The use of the bitwise inversion operator this is deprecated and will raise an error in Python 3.14. Bool is a subclass of integer. See numeric types integer, float, complex. In many numeric contexts, false and true behave like the integers 0 and 1 respectively. However, relying on this is discouraged. Explicitly convert using integer instead. Thank you.